To my channel. So we will discuss one question of PD from part B of CSIR NET 2020. So here is given x del z del x plus y del z del y equal to 0. We have to find solution of this equation. Options are given here. 4 options are given. इस तरह कुछ दिया हुआ था. So this is Cauchy form. PP plus QQ equal to R. So auxiliary equation of this Cauchy equation will be dx by p. Here p is x, q is y, and r is 0. So dx by x, dy by y, and dz by r, that is equal to 0. So if we take these two ratios, we get z equal to c1, and if we take these two ratios, we have dx by x minus dy by y equal to 0. If we integrate, we get log x minus log y equal to log c2. So log x by y equal to log c2. So from here we have x by y equal to c2. So it can be written also modulus form. So from here mod x by mod y equal to c2, and solution of this Cauchy equation is written in this form: c1 equal to phi of c2. So from here c1 is z, and from here phi, c2 is mod x by mod y. So solution of this problem will be this. So here is the answer. This option will be correct as correct answer. Now we will discuss another questions PD, but it from part C. Here is two differential equation is partial differential equation is given, 1 and 2. One is this del 2u del x square plus 2 into this plus 1 minus signum of y, signum function, and del 2y del y2, and this is another function. Second differential equation. 4 options are given. One option is says that hyperbolic for y greater than 0, elliptic for y less than 0, and alternative of option 2 is this. This is differential equation 1 1 for 1, and differential equation 2 2 are given. Hyperbolic in second, fourth quadrant, hyperbolic first and third quadrant. So we observe for first differential equation, that is b square. We this is b, coefficient of del 2 u del x del y, and coefficient of this is a for del 2 u del x square, and this coefficient is c. So b square minus 4ac equal to, we have 4 minus 4 into a here 1, and c equal to 1 minus signum of y function. This will be signum function is signum function of y equal to y for y greater than 0, sorry, 1 for greater than 0, 0 for y equal to 0, and minus 1 for y less than 0. So we have here for y greater than 0, we have this is 1. So 1 minus 1 0, so we get 0. So 4 greater than 0, that is hyperbolic. For y greater than 0, hyperbolic. And if we take less than 0, so minus 1, this will be plus, and minus, so less than 0 hoga. So we get for eta elliptic, and for greater than 0 hyperbolic. So hyperbolic and less than 0 elliptic. So option this option will be correct. And for second differential equation, for second differential equation, here b is 0, there is no term del 2u, del 2u, del x, del y, so this coefficient is 0, and minus 4 into here a is y and c is x, so minus 4xy. So if we draw quadrant, this is first quadrant, x plus y plus, here x minus y plus, here x minus y minus, and this fourth quadrant x plus y minus. So these two quadrants, second and fourth, will be minus sign. X into y will be minus sign, x into y will be minus sign. So second, first, second, third, fourth, and fourth quadrant, in second and fourth quadrant, xy, product of xy will be negative, because one and opposite sign, both are, to x and y are opposite sign, so xy, product of xy will be negative sign, so negative, 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 positive, then we get 4, sorry, we get greater than 0 in second and fourth quadrant. This will be greater than 0 in second and fourth quadrant, so in this quadrant we get second differential equation will be greater hyperbolic, so second, fourth hyperbolic, so this option will be correct. So thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thank you so much.